In today's class, we are going to discuss few important questions. 5 important questions to be discussed today. First questions to be discussed: a number is a ugly number or not. Second question to be discussed: convert a decimal value to the binary value. Third questions to be discussed: convert the total day into year, month, and a day. Fourth questions to be discussed: convert the feet to inches. And the fifth question of the today's class to be discussed: how structure elements are passed through a functions. First question: whether a number is a ugly number or not. Which number is a ugly number? Any number will be start dividing with 2 because every number is divisible by 1 itself. And if finally it comes to 0, then the number is a ugly number. Suppose 18, 2 9 is 18, again next number, it will be divided by the next number 3. 3 3 is 9, now it becomes 0. 13 is not a ugly number because the remainder is not 0. Here so it is told any number you will be entered that should be greater than how much? That is your 0. If suppose number you enter that is a 0 or negative number, input a incorrect number, it will ask you. If you input a valid number, suppose 18, 18 not equal to 1, yes. 18 modulus 5 equal to 0, no. 18 modulus 3 equal to 0, yes. So what happens? Means 18 is divisible by first, that is your 3. Now it will be checked 18 by 3 means how much? Quotient is 6. Now again it will go to the next. 6 not equal to 1, yes. 6 modulus 5, no. 6 modulus 3, yes. So it will be a what? Now it will be what? 3. Now again it will goes to there. 3 not equal to 1, yes. Then 3 modulus 5, that is your what? That is your not equal to 0. 3 modulus 3 is equal to 0. Now when the next 0 will come, 0 not equal to minus 1, yes. 1. Now 0 is equal to 0, yes. The number is a ugly number. Again I am telling, suppose you now enter the number 18. 18 not equal to 1, yes. 18 modulus 5 equal to 0, no. 18 modulus 3 is how much? 18 modulus 3 how much? That is your 6. 18 modulus 3 is 0. 0 is equal to 0, yes. Now what will happen? 18 by 3 is how much? It will become 6. Now it will come out of the where? The else. Next number will be go on. 6 not equal to 1, yes. Now 6 modulus 5 equal to 0, no. 6 modulus 3 is how much? 0. 0 equal to 0, yes. 6 by 3 is how much? That is your 2. Now again it will go to 2 not equal to minus 1, yes. 2 modulus 5 equal to 0, no. 2 not modulus 3 equal to 0, no. 2 modulus 2 equal to 0, yes. Now 2 by 2 is how much? The quotient will be what? How much? 1. 1 not equal to minus 1, 1 not equal to 1, false. It will come out of the loop. And now x becomes 0, 0 is equal to 0, yes, the number is a ugly number. If you want to run this program, then what will happen? Copy this set of code, moves to the specific online compiler and start running it. Suppose I enter the number 18, it will show you it is a ugly number. Suppose I enter the number it is a 13, then it will display it is not an ugly number. Comes to the next question. Suppose we want to convert a decimal to the binary value. Suppose we enter 8, the binary value will be 1000. So what is the logic? Whatever the remainder we calculate, that will be stored into the array. That is, so a of 10 is taken as dimension, which can be increment or decrement also. Then while display, as we are getting 8's the binary value, 2 4 8 means from right to left. Hence, while display, you will be displaying the value from the right to left respectively, because while you are calculating binary value, dividing 2, and whatever the remainder you will be writing from bottom to top. Hence, in the reverse order, whatever the value will be stored will be displayed. Now, suppose n is 8. Now test 8 greater than 0? Yes. Now 8 modulus 2 is how much? 0. In A of 0th location, 0 will be stored. Now 8 by 2 becomes 4. 4 greater than 0? Yes. 4 modulus 2 is how much? 0. Means A of 1, the 0 will be stored. Now 4 by 2 is 2. 2 is greater than 0? Yes. 2 modulus 2 is how much? 0. Again, in 1th location, 2nd location, the 0 will be stored. Now 2 by 2 is 1. 1 greater than 0? Yes. 1 modulus 2 is how much? 1. Means in 3 location 1 will be stored. Now 1 by 2 is 0. 0 is greater than 0? False. Now while display, you will be assessing from right to left. In right, that is 1, then 0, 0, 0. Hence, the right one, the last one is 3. Hence, I incremented last time 4. Means 3 to 0 we have to display. 4 minus 1 is how much? 3. 3 is greater than 0? Yes. In A of 3, there will be 1. Then I decremented 1, 2. 2 greater than 0? Yes. In A of 2, that will be 0. Like this, another 2 0 will display. While I reaches at minus 1 greater than 0, false. It will come out of the loop. Till then, all the element in the array in the terms of binary value store, that is being assessed. If we want to run this code, what we have to do? Copy this set of code, moves to the specific online compiler and start running the program. Suppose I enter the number 8, it will display 1000. Suppose I enter the number is 9, then it will display 1001 and so on. Comes to the next question. We have to convert a number of day and it will convert year, month and day. Suppose we enter 1024, the 2 year, 9 month and 24 days will display. What is the calculation? Any number is divisible by 365, the quotient value will be year, and whatever the remainder lies behind, divided by 30, the month will calculate, and whatever the 30 remainder, that will be the number of day. Means 365 division quotient is year, whatever the remainder returns by 30 quotient division is month, and whatever the modulus division 30, that is the number of days. Whatever the value you can enter. Suppose copy this program, moves to the specific online compiler and start running the program. Suppose I enter the number of days is 365, the result will be 1 year, 0 month and 0 day. Suppose I enter 999 and accordingly the year, month and day will be calculated 2 year, 8 month and 29 days. Comes to the next question. Suppose I enter feet and to convert the inches, feet into 12 will be calculated. This is the formula. Whatever the inches will be stored in inches, and in the inches variable we have to assess it. Then what we have to do? Moves to the online compiler. Then start running the program. Suppose we enter 10. Suppose we enter 10. The result will be displayed as 120. Comes to the next question. We want to store structure values, send it to the function and then assess it. Main function, then the global structure declare is student having element name, role and mark, and directly we can assign the value struct name and the variable Sriram 1 and 97 will be stored in a name, role and mark. Now in a display is a user defined function, we are passing all the element stu1.name, stu1.roll number and stu1.mark, and name is a string type data, hence it is stored in character variable. Roll is a number data, it is stored in the roll number variable. Mark is a integer data, it is stored in the integer variable. Then we have to assess it name, role and mark. Why declaration is taken? It is optional. Declaration means you have to pass this type of value. And if we run the program, we will be getting the result Sriram, roll number 1, mark is 97. If I want to run this program, then copy this program, moves to your specific online compiler and start running the program, and you will be getting the result Sriram, roll number 1 and mark is 97. In this way, in today's session, we discussed 3 important questions. Till now, 30 important programs is being discussed. We will be giving 2 or more session for that. Then we will be going on starting a new tool or some new sessions, which is very essential to you. Thank you. If you like it, then like the video. Having any comment, please make the comments or remark. And you have not subscribed previously, please subscribe it. Thank you. See you in the next class.